Look at me looking like the Blue Lagoon. Looking like Blue's Clues. Just smoky. Just looking so smoky. Guess who is speechless? Me. Who are you?
Yes. It's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl more. And if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. This was definitely inspired by a video that I saw on Instagram. I'll place it here. Right here. I believe it's Miss K. Like, her videos are just straight to the point. She's beautiful, she's stunning, she's gorgeous, and I was inspired. And I said, you know what, let's just do this look. This is definitely like my take, my little twist, my little sprinkle of je ne sais quoi more on this look. You know, in this video, I'm really gonna focus on the eyes and I guess the lips. But before we get into this video, make sure you click on the notification bell here to be notified whenever I have a new video, and don't forget to subscribe. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. So let's get started with this look. Brows already done, just to save some time, you know what I mean, as I'm following an Insta tutorial. She has concealer on her lids, so let's, you know, fix up the lids. We're gonna be using an e.l.f. concealer. This is in Deep Cinnamon. She has it on her whole entire lid, so we're just gonna be doing the same thing, honey. One thing I like is getting inspiration on so many different platforms: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, TikTok. So I'm just gonna let this dry for a little bit and then start the blending out. Drag it up to the brow bone. So I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner now, and what I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Granite. This is black. You can see here I barely like even used it. I put most of it in the lid. Just gonna use the angled side here. So she makes a wing. Okay, cool. Let's see if I can attempt this for you guys. What I'm trying to do is like make a really good wing shape and then use the brush to kind of emphasize that before I start blending it out. I think I might go over with a black eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is go into this Freedom palette here and take that black eyeshadow and just put it over the top, just so it's easy for me to blend it out. So we're gonna use blue to fill out the rest of this eyeliner. Hopefully it gives me the blue that I want. Oh! As you can see here, I'm trying to blend it in with the black, but I'll be going back and forth doing that. So the blue is more or less giving me like, you know, like if you're doing like a cut crease? So the blue is kind of giving me that vibe. I'm just gonna keep packing it on until it gives me that je ne sais quoi that I like. I think this is looking cute. Oh, can't nobody tell me nothing. Now I'm just going in with a clean brush. Well, it's not clean now, but something that's easy for me to blend the two colors together, and I think that's turning out pretty darn good. So she does go in with some at the bottom, but what I'm gonna do is just finish the eyes. So I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Body Collection Volumizing Mascara. So that is eyes done for now. So let's get onto the face real quick. I think I might just speed this up for you guys because you guys already know the face process. So let me just speed it up. So before I go to set the face, I'm actually gonna go in with the blue eyeshadow, and because I've already concealed under the eyes, so I'm just gonna put some blue under the under eyes here. I think I might go in with some black eyeliner as well. So let's get into baking real quick. I'm just gonna go in with some mascara on the bottom lashes. I don't want to poke my eye out. So next is the lips. You already know what it is. So we're going to do a nice nude lip. Period. I'm just gonna outline this lip. I wonder if I should overline. Do I want to overline? Let's overline. I'm gonna go in with this Highline lip gloss, and this is in, ooh, this is in Sugar Rush. We got the Sugar Rush going. I don't like that one. No, we're not doing that. I think I might go with this one. This one is Wanted. We can do this one. It's not as nude, peachy. Of course, we're just gonna go over the top of that with a clear gloss. I'll be right back. So you guys, this is the finished look. I can only go up from here. I feel like I'm gonna cry. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything that I used will be listed in the description down below. Let me know in the comments, you know, any other like looks, any other vibes I should go for, any other content, because I was gonna do a vlog today, but it's snowing. I'm not going in the cold. Thank you so much for watching, and you know, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.